same rule pretty much all over Africa. We cook always more. And I remember my father always yelling at my mom, why are you cooking so much? And my mom said, God forbid somebody come give us no food. It's a shame. And I do the same thing. My husband is always like, I'm not gonna eat that food for 2 weeks, right? And I'm saying, we can freeze it. If nobody comes, you're gonna eat it another time. And I remember when I went back to South Africa, I went to South Africa. Because during apartheid, I refused completely to play there. Doesn't matter how much money you offer me, I'm like, I ain't going. And I went the first time in South Africa in 1996. And I've been with him since 1989. So we have had a relationship going on. And every time I come in, she goes, sometime I go, she goes, you have too much energy, you promise, you're not gonna make me laugh, right? I said, I promise. And I come in and make her laugh. And she said, when you come to South Africa, call me. So I came and I called her, I had a day off. She goes, you're not gonna stay at the hotel, right? I said, well, that's what I'm planning to do. She said, no, you come home. And my husband and myself, we get there, and you look at the kitchen, you go, huh? Who's gonna eat that food? She took my wrist and said, you see, Angelique, in the white people's country, you don't eat enough. Sit here and eat. I'm like, I can't eat all that. I can't eat it. You know what? You're gonna pace yourself. You're gonna eat now. In 2 hours, you're gonna eat a little bit. In 3, and I start eating at noon all the way to 10 p.m. When I get to my hotel, I collapse. Literally, I'm like, damn, I can't eat anymore. And that is Miriam, and I do the same thing. I cook. I love to cook because what is it? It is that for me, it relaxes me when I come back from a tour. And I want to eat my own food. I want to know what is in my plate. I'm tired of restaurant. I'm tired of room services and none of this kind of stuff. And I just want something basic, fresh, that I buy, clean, and cook myself. And I love to cook for people I love. And music is like cooking. You got to put the right ingredient in it. If you put too much salt, too much pepper, you got to have balance. And then you just balance me back. And sometimes, while I'm busy chopping, music is in my head, and then I can write music, put it in a recorder, and then continue doing my food. My husband